In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the ringtone for a specific person on your Samsung phone. This can be helpful if you want to easily identify when a specific person is calling you. To get started, open up the Contacts app on your Samsung device, and then find and tap on the contact that you want to set a specific ringtone for. After that, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Change Ringtone/Vibration. Tap Ringtone. As you can see, the ringtone is set to the default one, but you can easily change it to any of these available sounds. You can scroll down this list and select a sound you like. Or you can tap on the plus button at the top right to select a custom ringtone for the selected contact. Once you've done that, simply go back, and the changes will be saved. This is exactly how you change the ringtone for a specific person on your Samsung phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.